Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display total order weight in admin order section and also display in customer my account dashboard using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write order weight for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see settings, so click on it, and then you see multiple tabs, so click on advanced tab, and then you see order weight for WooCommerce, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting, and then you see my account. Enable this option, display the weight of each order in the customer dashboard. Also you see email notification. So we enable both these options, order weight to admin email and customer email. If you want, you can enable this option. Also you see order notes, enable, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, and then scroll down. Now you see update all order weight. Now you see 0 of 136. If you want, you can update all order weight. So it's up to you. Now you see order, so click on it. So we are in admin order dashboard. Now you see order. Also you see weight 12.5 kg. So now we are going to update all order. Then you see order updated. Now go to admin order again and refresh the page. Now you see all order updated 5 kg, 20 kg. Now go to my account page. So we are in customer dashboard, and then you see order, so click on it. Now you see total order weight for customer order 12.5 kg, 5 kg. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.